Severe thunderstorm warning for Boone, huh? Get it. Get it. Come on. Severe thunderstorm warning for us. Ah, yes, coax equipment. Alright, come on, come on, I guess. Air it. Got a dust storm warning earlier. Can't believe it. Are they really going to finish this thing? I'm right in the center of that friggin' thing. Yeesh.
This might be an area where we see some rotation spike up here soon. We just got a new tornado warning for Todd County, Kentucky.
In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Stop.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewood Lake, Caledonia, Loves Park, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Gardner Prairie, Belvidere, Cape Run, Winnebago, and McChesney Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Heck is squeaking?
A dust storm warning remains.
Oh, it's this thing.
8 p.m. for Kendall, northeastern LaSalle, northwestern Will, southeastern DeKalb, southeastern Cook, northern Porter, and northern Lake counties. At 6:45 p.m., the wall of dust was along a line extending from near Sandwich to near Houston, moving north at 45 miles per hour.
Up here for
Cool.